guys, welcome back to my channel Pamba. I'm here with a quick makeover of my washroom. Yes, I'm going to show you how it used to look before, and then with a very minimum budget I have redecorated my washroom, and here you go. So this is how my washroom looked before we had moved in. There was nothing apart from the wash basin. However, I loved the color of the washroom, which was crimson. So basically I had to add a few major elements like a mirror, most important, then a storage rack, proper lighting, and also a wallpaper such that it defines the washroom better. Now I had shopped on Amazon, and these are the products that I chose at a very budgeted price, and let's see how these have helped me to redecorate my washroom. So the first thing that you can see is the mirror. It is from the brand 7 Horses, and it took me just 1200 bucks for this lovely size of 16 into 24 inches, which just serves the purpose right. Then I got the Gesto waterproof curve 6-watt LED wall light just on top of it. And the best part of this is the Sapphire laundry basket, which has 2 racks and 1 laundry basket, and I got it for only 2500 bucks at Amazon. Next I will add a wallpaper to this wall, and let's see how it looks like. So this is the final look of the washroom. I'm sure that you guys must have loved this, and I will show you in details how I have arranged my stuffs together. This rack is the best part of the washroom because it required no drilling, no nailing. At the same time, I've got all my products in one single basket. The wallpaper that you are seeing, it comes in rolls. So before installing, you have to make sure that the wall is thoroughly cleaned and it is devoid of any kind of undulation. Then you have to very carefully peel out the sticker and put it on the wall. Be careful that there should be no air bubble inside. I'll show you a demo. So this is how the roll looks like, and the sticker roll is inside. You have to take out the sticker roll carefully. Now this is a different sticker. I just wanted to show you how it looks like. This is how the sticker looks like. It has got patterns over here, and this is the adhesive sticker. You have to very carefully peel it out, and then the adhesion is on this portion, so you have to very carefully peel it out and put it on the wall that you wish to. Next, let's talk about the lamp. It has got 3 colors. This is a whitish color. This here is a warm color, and it is my favorite because it makes me look fairer. And this is another bright white light. Now giving you an idea of how I have arranged my stuff. Now as you have seen, this rack has got 2 sections. Now on the upper rack I have kept sections like this, which I got from D-Mart at a very cheap price. These not only help you to store things properly, but also you can easily replace and clean them. So I have kept all the shampoos, oils, face washes, toothpaste, toothbrush, razors, body lotions, whatever is essential for bathing on the top. The lower section is for the cleaning, that is detergent and toilet cleaners and floor cleaners, all sorts of cleaning items. And the bottom portion is for the laundry section. Now the best part about this is you can take out this laundry basket to the washing area, and hence you can unload all your clothes in one go. And another best thing about this trolley is that it has got wheels, hence it is movable. You can put this thing anywhere according to your convenience. So guys, if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Pamba. Also for more such videos, please click the bell icon to get the instant notification. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.